This website is socialsecret.club. I have already an account, so that's why I logged in, but you have to register yourself first and then log in. Let me log in. Here is how the inside of it looks like. You see, so there is a lot of things we can do here on this website. It's user-friendly. The categories of what you would like to do. Like to select Instagram followers, then quantity. I want to add 10,000. Write the link http://instagram.com/socialsecret. On yes, I have confirmed the order. Click on add order. You can see order is placed successfully. There's WhatsApp icon that connects you to customer care service on WhatsApp.